Alright, let's look at this example. So we are simplifying radicals with fractions. So part A says square root of 48 a to the 7 divided by square root of 3a. Alright, so these ones we're kind of going to recombine first. Or you can do it a couple of ways. I like it recombine first because then you can simplify it. So we have big square root of 48 a to the 7, 3 to the a. Then we're going to simplify the fraction. So 48 divided by 3, we get 16. So we have square root of 16. And then a to the 7 over a is a to the 6. All right, square root of 16 is 4. And we have a to the 6 divided by 2, which is a to the 3. That's a value like this. All right. So if you start with two separate radicals, if you put them together first, you can reduce the fraction and then it makes it easier. All right. So the part B, we have cube root of negative 108 divided by cube root of 2. We combine them into one big radical, negative 108 divided by 2. So this is cube root of negative, this divided by 2, this is 54. Alright, so this is not a perfect cube, but we can say this is cube root of negative 27 times 2. Cube root of negative 27 is negative 3, and then the 2 will stay inside the radical. Alright, let's look at part C. Fourth root of 96x to the 7. Fourth root of 3x squared. Let's make one big radical. 96x to the 7 divided by 3x squared. Fourth root of 96 divides by 3 and we get 32. And then x to the 7, this is x to the 5. Alright, this is not a perfect fourth power, but we can split it up as 32 is 16 times 2. X to the 5 is x to the 4 times x to the 1. Fourth root of 16 is 2. Fourth root of x to the 4 is x to the 1. And then inside the radical, we have fourth root of 2x. Like this. All right, there we go.